Welcome to Learn, your gateway to knowledge. Must like, comment and subscribe. Subject, Computer Application according to the syllabus provided by Wbchse, Semester 3. Must like, comment and subscribe. Introduction. In this unit, you will learn about Python programming. Introduction to Python programming. Must like, comment and subscribe. Student, you already knew what is program. Just recall, a program is a set of integrated and interrelated instructions given to computer to perform a task. What is programming language? Programming language is a formal language used to give instructions to a computer so that it can perform specific tasks. What is paradigms? Programming paradigms is a style or way of writing programs. What are the types of programming language? Based on level of abstraction, low level language and high level language. Low level language, these languages are close to hardware. They are very fast execution, hardware dependent, difficult to understand. Example, machine language and assembly language. High level language, these languages are easy to read and write and English like syntax. Most common arithmetic operators are used and these are portable, requires compiler or interpreter. Example, Python, C, Java, etc. Types based on programming paradigm. Procedural language. Features, it uses procedure or functions, step-by-step execution done here. Focus, how to do. Example, C, Pascal, Fortran, etc. Next one is object-oriented programming language. Features, based on objects and classes. Example, Java, Python. Next one is non-procedural or declarative language. These are generally not so procedure oriented, so no steps by step control required here. Often used in database and AI focused, what to do. Example, SQL and Prolog. Next one is functional language. Based on mathematical functions only. Example, Haskell. Types based on execution method. Compiled language. Entire program converted before execution, that is from source code to object code. Example, C, at a time. Compilation done here. Interpreted language, here line by line conversion or execution done. Example, Python. History of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in late 1980s at CWI. Origin 1989 to 1991. Development started in December 1989. First official release Python 0.9.0 in 1991. Inspired by programming language ABC. The name Python was taken from British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, not from the snake. Major versions are Python 1.0 in 1994. Here functions are added, modules are added, basic tools are also added, and simple and easy to read syntax. Next one in after 1994, in 2000, Python 2.0 was released, introduced list comprehensions, memory management improvements. Official support ended in 2020. In 2028, Python 3.0 was released. Major improvements and cleaner syntax, better Unicode support here. Currently widely used version of Python is Python 3.x. Common platforms of Python. Students, you already see that some common platforms for desktop version, for online Python platforms, mobile platforms, professional and cloud platforms are given with logo in this picture. Importance of Python language. It is easy to learn. Python has simple and readable syntax. Beginners can understand it quickly. High demand, used in AI, data science, web development, etc. So career opportunities are high. Open source Python is free and supported by a large community. Cross-platform, runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac without changing code. Powerful libraries. Python has built-in and external libraries for different tasks. Features of Python. Simple and readable syntax. Uses English-like keywords. Interpreted language. Python runs line by line. No compilation needed. Object-oriented. It supports OOP, that is object-oriented programming. Concepts like class and object. Dynamically typed. No need to declare variable type. Portable. Some code works on different systems. Large standard library provides ready-made modules for math, file handling, etc. Extensible, can be integrated with C, C++, Java. Fields or application of Python. Some common application of Python are web development, data science and analytics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, game development, automation and scripting, app development, cybersecurity and networking, etc. Python IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It comes installed with Python. It has Python shell, which is called interactive mode, and file editor, which is called script mode. Python interpreter modes. It is also called REPL mode. Interactive mode allows you to type Python commands one by one and get immediate output. It is known as read, evaluate, print loop. If we want to see Python prompt, we have to open Python first. Then three greater than signs are seen, which is called Python prompt. Uses quick calculations, testing small code, learning Python. Advantages of interactive mode: immediate result, good for beginners, easy testing. Disadvantages: cannot save code permanently, not suitable for big programs. Script mode or program mode. In script mode, you write Python code in file with .py extension and run it. Steps: at first we have to press Ctrl N or click on new file. Then we have to write code in a file and save the file with .py extension. Example, hello.py. Then click on run and then run module, or we have to press F5 to run Python file. Uses: writing large programs or program code at once, projects and applications, reusable programs. Advantages: code saved permanently, suitable for large programs, easy debugging. Disadvantages: output not immediate, need to save the file fast. Comparison between interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode, line by lines are executed. In script mode, whole programs are executed. Interactive mode is best for testing and learning, whereas script mode is for large programs. Interactive mode does not require any file. Script mode, you have to save the file with extension .py. In interactive mode, we'll get immediate output. In script mode, we'll get output after running the file. Run Python in command prompt or command line. Steps to run: at first we have to install Python, then open command prompt, then we have to check the version, Python -- version, then press enter. Move to the file location, then type the following command: cd file location. For example, if we have a Python file named hello.py in D drive, then the command is cd space :hello.py, enter. If you want to run the file, then we have to type python space filename.py, following enter. For example, python space hello.py and enter. If this video helps even one person, I will be more encouraged and will continue making more videos. If there are any unintentional mistakes, I'll gladly accept your valuable feedback. I'll try to provide various topic-based videos related to computers following the higher secondary syllabus in both Bengali and English. Best wishes to all students and heartfelt thanks to everyone else. Must like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Must like, comment and subscribe.